You know, the white stuff on the rocks.
Yeah.
Snow. Yeah, it's snow. Let's go grab some.
Old pillbox up on top of the mountain from World War II.
Yeah.
I feel sorry for the guys who had to take the supplies up there. Well, we all made it in without flipping. We got a little wet, but it was fun. But we get some pretty good rollers there that made it pretty good swells and rollers. Luckily we guided the boat right and it didn't flip on us. Like that one there. Whew, that's a boat turner over. Oh well, we're safe. Alright, we made it to the beach. What do you guys think about that beach landing?
Yeah, where you dunked me under the water was rad.
Yeah, it almost got dicey. But we got on and we're looking forward to having a good hunt. Lord keep his hand over us and we'll get us a good goat up here. And this is Dale Robinson and Luke. What's your last name, Luke?
Garrett.
Luke Garrett. Well, we're on this beach still. We're getting, this is all that's left. Going over there. There's a lake over there, which I'll show you in a minute. Had to haul everything over that. We'll get back in the boat, paddle up for a couple hundred yards till we find our little bit of a trail we got. So far so good, but the rain looks like it's coming back in pretty good, so could be a wet day. So we're gonna leave a couple things in here to dry. This is an old cabin that, as you see, a rock broke it out at one time. Pretty non-usable anymore. Yeah. Come back from there. And we're fixing to do a circle. So I stopped paddling. We're going over there. So this is where we brought everything. And we paddle up that lake for a few hundred yards and put to shore. It's going to be a nasty one. Show you this cave. When the tide's down, we come back out. It goes all the way through that huge, massive rock. Well, we are 2 miles in. I mean, 2 hours in. From the time we left. Not miles. It's been pretty steep. Not too much fun. Really wet. Well, we're going to come through this about, I don't know, 150, 200 yards. And it's no fun. Stickers, thorn bushes. It really sucks. We hope we're about done with it. Well, 4 hours later, we got up here to, we're making camp tonight on bait. It's been raining the whole time, fighting alders and devil's club, and pouring down rain, so it's been slippery snot. So 4 hours of it, and we've only went up like 1,500 feet, but still, good enough day. It's supposed to really come in hard tonight and clear off. Well, later on tonight, clear off. And it's only 4:30 right now. So by like 11 or 12 tonight's going to start clearing off. And tomorrow's supposed to be a good day, so we're going to go up and wax one and get out of here. And morning number 2. Get some coffee and some breakfast going. We're up stretching our limbs from yesterday's little hike. Today we're just going to go right through that ridge line. And you can see there's a bowl back here, and there's a ridge on the back side of that. We can possibly see goats, so not too bad of a little walk this morning. I'm all thrown out trying to get everything I had on yesterday dry, but today's a good day, so we're going to try to take advantage of it. Well, there's been a billy up here all morning, but no way we're shooting him in that stuff. I don't know how you'd ever get him out. But we're saddling up, getting our stuff together, and we're fixing to head up the mountain. See what we can get done. Stay tuned. There's our tents. There's a little lake we paddled across. That's our beach we come in on. I've seen a nice goat up here this morning, but if we'd have shot him, he wouldn't have ended up in a good spot. So we're gonna head up here to the ridge line and glass from up there. Shoot him. Oh crap. We got her done.
We just shot our Billy. We shot him in a dangerous place because he could have, if he went down the hill, gone on down into the ocean, but we got him where he was up in some rocks and we thought he'd stick, and he did. He stuck right there. So
He anchored him good.
we're happy.
Nice pretty spot. Shoot a goat. Now we just got to get busy and cut him up and get back to camp. About 5 hours or so we'll be back to camp. Well, there's some mamas and kids. And down here, we got another billy slipping out. And here is our billy. Let's go down like you did. Oh, just go underneath on that grass. Well, a little over 9. 3, 4-year-old Billy. Pretty.
He almost went down there.
What do you think of that, Luke?
We're good.
Well, there he is again.
Rug.
Oh, well, rug, you need to do a star.
Pretty
You gotta
spot,
center
huh?
him down each of the legs.
All right. Got the goat packed up. Headed down the mountain. Dale's got a bit of a problem. His back's, or his hip has went out. So we're having to find the easiest routes we can. But he's toughing it out. So that's all we can do.
Not much choice.
So anyways, they're heading down that. Our tent is down there off of that mountain, down the bottom. So we only got about a mile to go, but we'll get there. Well, we are back to our canyon. Tents are just right in there. Another 45 minutes to an hour. Gonna start raining on us again tonight. We had one nice day, so we're gonna be walking out here in the rain again. Fun time. We made it back to the tent. We're gonna have us some grub and hang out for a little while until the bugs get too bad. But from here, it took us 4 hours to get up here, so I imagine another 4 hours tomorrow to get down. Anyways, we're making it. Oh, I've been waiting for this moment all day. Sleeping in my tent. Get a good night's sleep. I head out in the morning. Get down the beach and see if the boat can pick us up tomorrow evening. It's been a quick, fun hunt. Tomorrow's gonna be raining all day again, so it's not gonna be too much fun going down there. But we'll make it. Good night. Well, we're back. The only obstacle we got left is the boat. Getting out to the boat in that little raft. So we're waiting on Louie, our boatman, to come in this afternoon, hopefully, and if the waves aren't too bad. But right now we're gonna have a celebratory Red Bull. I brought one for Dale and he won't even drink it. He says he don't want no wings. Well, it was a great hunt. Sure. What do you think about the overall hunt, Dale?
I think it's a good solid hunt where you have to hike quite a lot to climb, find your goats, and make a good shot. It's just good all the way around. These guys did a great job because they packed most everything for an old man like me. Made it a lot more bearable. So just a good solid hunt.
So Luke, what do you think about your first goat hunt?
Had fun, man. It was good.
You gonna do another next week?
Hopefully not.
Oh man, home for me, back to work, and back to fill some tags for me and the kids.
You did